And welcome back to another video. Welcome to the channel. Today we have another beautiful eyeshadow tutorial. Thank you so much for the love on our previous video. Please again make sure to like, comment and subscribe so that YouTube can know that you love this kind of content. And if you want to see the full tutorial, please head over to our Instagram at _beautyhq. Okay, while that intro was going on, I did go in with a black gel liner and I applied that as the base. And I took the black from the African Queen eyeshadow palette to set it. Now I'm going into a brown shade from the African Queen eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be blending the edges of that black eyeshadow. And I'm going to make sure I blend it very well. So I just used the black and brown eyeshadow. I created a smoky eye base first. Then I went into this pinkish, purplish shimmer. And I'm going to apply that on the lid, okay? You want to make sure it's very well applied. I always dust off the excess eyeshadow on my brush before I go in to apply. So afterwards, I'm just blending that in completely. For glitter, I'm using the Miss Rose. And this glitter, and I did go in with a white glitter. You will see where I apply that. Yes, so I'm going in with the glitter right now. And I'm applying that on the lid. I want the glitter to be spread out. I don't want it like chunky, so that's why I use the bigger brush. Now I'm going to apply the white, and it took the look a little bit further, you know. So next I went in with the black eyeshadow to blend the outer V, okay, and make sure it's well blended because I do not want harsh lines. You're not supposed to know where the black stopped and where it started from. Afterwards, I did go in with mascara and I lined the bottom line, and I did go in to fix the lashes off camera. I wanted this to be a very quick and easy tutorial. I do hope you enjoy and love this kind of tutorials that I'm bringing your way. Please let me know what you'd like to see on our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, firstly, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram at _beautyhq. Until the next video, please make sure to stay beautiful. Bye bye.